Alright. So I got a couple new versions of my 12 volt Dredge power jet here. And it's a new material, but you can see this bottom one, it's slightly smaller because this is actually a really strong nylon that shrinks more than the other materials I was using. I was using ABS, PLA, whatever before. So I actually had to resize it and do a couple different versions, get it to work. And I also changed this here. That makes it a little easier because then you can just take your hose. This bottom one here, this is the input from a pump. That's your actual jet right there. Doop, doop, doop. Can't even see that, whatever. So this is just a standard bilge hose. But you can see on the one that I redesigned that that'll just go on there. And then you can put a hose clamp on there and peak. So let's test out the new material and see. I mean, I haven't even put it together, but hello, Doc. You want to be in the video? We'll see if this new material is everything I think it'll be. Obviously, yeah, we'll put it under here. Yeah. And let's see what happens. So let me start the car up, and I might have to move the camera. So let me see. Cameras on this side, we'll just back it up over top of that and see what happens. Well, that even do anything? Oh, I put a mark on it, but what? Really? That's it? Maybe I can peel out on this sucker. That didn't do jack squat. Nothing. Oh yeah, that's why I bought this stuff. I like it. I'm gonna peel out on this sucker if I can. Somehow my camera ended up upside down. What? So, yeah, that's one thing I've noticed with this is it's really flexible, so it does like bend. And yeah, that's not gonna matter as long as you aren't driving a car over the jet, because that's just your output. That's your output right there. But, man. That's actually really good, because I could try. And yeah, it flexes really good. And I think that once this warms back up, it'll just kind of pop back into shape. But like I said, that's your output. That doesn't really matter. And yeah, right here, that's where your jet comes out. But as long as it attaches together, I mean, okay, so I screwed it up a little. But if it attaches and it still runs the water through there, who really cares? That's actually several thousand pounds trying to destroy this thing. That's actually pretty good, in my opinion, because the other one, that would have just cracked and smashed, and you wouldn't have ever been able to use that again. So this nylon material, yeah. Oh man, that just popped right back in there. And it's like, so it looks a little different. Okay, it's just not normal at all. But man, no, that'll still work. That's awesome.